Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access your Google Drive account from your PC or laptop. In your PC or laptop, you can access your Google Drive account either by going onto the website of Google Drive itself, or you can also download the Google Drive application on your desktop. To download the app, all you need to do is simply go into the Google Chrome search bar and just search for Drive Download. And after you do so, you can see all of these options here, and on the first option by Google itself, there is an option for Download Google Drive. Simply go to the first link and now you'll be able to download Google Drive in your PC or laptop. Simply click on this option of download right here and the download process will start immediately. Or if not and you don't want the hassle of downloading and setting up your whole account again, you can also use the website version, which is as easy as the desktop version, where you are able to upload and delete or even download everything that is in your Google Drive directly in and from your PC. So guys, and that is how you'll be able to access your Google Drive account from your PC or laptop. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment or review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.